Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package, I believe, I'm going to turn it over to double check. Now I have a whole bunch of boxes that look exactly like this directly to my left. I'm pretty sure this one was sent by Nick. Anyways, we'll find out here in a sec. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Obviously, subscribe to Nick if you're not subscribed. Most of you probably are. Yes, it is. Okay. I requested a few things. Nick has... like every single community request, which by the way, there's still a list of knives that I'm looking for review in my community section, so please check that out. The loaners, I do send them back, but Nick has always sent me stuff. Every time I post one of those, Nick sends me stuff. I actually asked him, and he's like, yeah, I've got a few things you might want to check out. So he sent me, I think, some interesting ones. Get in here. We're almost there. Do we have another? We got one more layer to get through. People always ask me about this. It's been a while since I've explained it. I have a video called Quest for the Ultimate Unboxing Knife. Or I'm sorry, a series called Quest for the Ultimate Unboxing Knife. You can find it in my playlists if you want to know about this guy. Yeah, okay, so I think this probably has multiple items in it. Yeah, I asked for 3 things. That little CRKT. The... HEA or HEA, I'm not really sure if it, I think this is the Venom, right? That looks interesting. And then the most interesting, I'm actually very, very interested in this. Yeah, the Wee Thug. This guy is definitely available, and I would guess that the CRKT is available as well. So I will link them both down in the description. This guy, I don't know, but we will... we'll definitely talk about, I'm sorry, I'll link everything down below if I can. So the Thug, it is a little tank. I was curious about this one, and I kind of thought we would send me one, and I can't remember what happened with that discussion, but that's fine. Either way, it doesn't really matter who it comes from. It is definitely a little tank, but not so much that it's like, you know, oh, haha, it's like super thick and funny, but it doesn't really work. No, it definitely is thin enough to where it's plenty pocketable, right? So your blade stock thickness really doesn't look all that different than the Spyderco PM2, maybe a little bit. Maybe this is like 155 thousandths. Hollow ground up front, I'm sorry, primary grind. And then flat up here. Pretty cool. I'm not really big into the satin finish. I'm kind of sick of that. But I believe these finishes, there's a wide variety of different finishes. I do like the finish on the titanium. That's pretty cool. I also like the pivot collar. The pocket clip is meh, right? But yeah, there's a lot to like here right off the bat. I like the contouring, really nice. What I'd expect from Wee in terms of overall fit and finish, right? Nice and smooth. Clicky detent. I like that. That's cool. The CRKT, I wanted to check it out because I'm just infinitely more intrigued by CRKT now. Look at this. The action on this knife is really good. What's the steel here? I don't know what the steel is, and you know, it's a CRKT. So maybe it's something good, maybe it's something terrible. I don't know. But I'll tell you, the flipping action is real nice. Straightforward design, right? I'm not really big into black and tan, but there was something about this that was appealing. Something about the look. And you know, CRKT has just gotten better with their fit and finish as of late. So nice, easy access to the liner lock there. Really nice detent here. Click. That's nice. Yeah. The flipping action is real good. This is not assisted. This is manual. Yeah. I don't know why. I mean, he gave me a list of things. He says, here's some stuff you might be interested in. And I saw that, I saw this, the CRKT, and I forget what this is called. Is that it, the Cinco? And I was like, yeah, let me take a look at that. So, okay, that's pretty cool. I don't think this is expensive at all. I think this is a very inexpensive knife, but I'll let you guys find out in the description if you want. And then this freaking weird thing. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, which is good. That makes me, I mean, like, I'm kind of biased towards larger knives. It's in a huge knife. I thought it was like this big. So, super unique looking. And it's not the first time that I have handled something from these folks. The other designs that I've handled were definitely unique. Absolutely. I do like the little milling pattern on the titanium. And I also like these, and I mean like the diagonal lines, but I also like these grooves in here. It almost looks like crop circles. And then the blade is, it's a continuation of the handle, right? But in blade form. You do technically have a tip. I don't know how good puncture test is going to be, but it's nice and thin up here, right? I mean, yeah. Honestly, you know, this really, it's such a bizarre shape, but it works just fine. Look at the pocket clip. That's cool. I'm going to guess this is M390. I'm going to guess. I'll be honest, this is not my aesthetic. I have no idea why the blade has a hole in it, because it's not like you can get after it, right? 100% looks like a bird. 100%. That's why Nick calls those pocket peckers. Once you see that, you can't unsee it, right? The bird, the eye, and the beak, right? That's what that looks like, for sure. Okay, action's very good. Detent's very good. Very high quality item, obviously. Very interesting, very unique. Not an aesthetic we normally see. Look at this. They did crown the spine or radius the spine. Some people, when I say crown, they're like, actually, it's radiused? Okay. Thanks for letting me know. But yeah, this is interesting. Obviously, this is not a review. This is an unboxing, first impressions, first time I've ever handled any of these models. So a few weeks down the road, you guys will get individual videos for each knife. Usually it's a 15 to 20 minute review, comprehensive, right? Just need some time to, of course, experience these, get my thoughts, gather all the appropriate information. But this was fun. It's always fun to check out stuff. And I appreciate, once again, Nick Shabazz for lending me some of his knives. Make sure, I mean, again, I know you're probably all subscribed to him, but just in case, make sure you're subscribed to Nick. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it today. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Scooter in there, at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.